Hey guys, it's a beach day, as you can tell by my shell necklace. With every touch, so out of touch, I root for you, love. Yeah, we are going to Rocky Neck freaking beach, and this is a little get ready with me. I already brushed my hair and put my bangs in that. I'm probably just gonna brush them out and the bangs are gonna be gone anyways, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, cool. Then I have this. And I'm just gonna go and freaking curl my lashes. Can a girl just do that these days? Yes, she can. That's good. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth. Well, first I'm gonna brush my hair again. And then we're gonna brush my teeth. And then we can get dressed and get ready with me. And it's gonna be so good. Okay. Stay with me. Hang out. Hang with me. Then we got the knit freaking cover up. What? Let me see this. Oh yeah, this is beach. No one does beach like me. Okay, people? Wow. Freaking epic. And maybe I'll just wear flip-flops. Have you considered that, society? This is cool. Okay, I'm cool with this. I need a towel. I want to bring, let's see. These are the sweatpants I'm bringing in my car just in case it gets cold. Not sure how long we're going to be there for. Will not need these. Like pretty much guaranteed, but that's okay. Going to pack something I can just throw over like wet clothes. It's just a giant shirt. We got a sunset on both sides. Pretty iconic. Kind of love it. So that will be my cover up for the day. The knit freaking cover up? What? What looks better? Them pushed all the way up is crazy. Sorry if there's banging you can hear. Probably can. I think I want to go with these ones. I think I never really wear them. And yeah, no, I'm going with these. Cool. Okay, I am going to pack some last minute stuff. I need a towel. I want to pack a whole lunch too. I think I'm gonna make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. A classic, you know. Okay, let's put these back here. This is how I hold my sunglasses, just in one of these drawstring bags. Oh my god. Someone is banging things like crazy. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get their green and my matcha and some hash browns.
So exciting. I'm gonna get a freaking croissant sandwich. Goodbye. We've arrived at the beach. The truth awake, not confuse, I read for you, love. Sorry, it was raining. We're at the beach. Guys, make sure you don't bicycle or boardwalk here. I said make sure to no bicycling or boardwalking here. Oh my god, whoa.
It's so fog, I love it.
I love this beach, dude. And they have the freaking pier. We gotta walk on the pier.
Yes.
Dude, it's beauty.
That's not cool either.
I know.
That is on the freaking video.
And you want to explain yourself, or? Okay.
No, that wasn't me. I don't know who that was.
Guys, someone in the background did that. Which road goes straight in through to the door? Which tomorrow has she gone to?
Wait a day, please, Maralou, for today to come to you. This love is true, Maralou. It cannot wait, it cannot lose. Just tries forever, Maralou. The tallest sun we ever.
Well, I am gonna bring my digital camera. Hopefully it doesn't get ruined by sand or water, which are the two things that are at the beach.